Hi and welcome to Marketing Cube College. We've got a couple of things we wanted to share with you today. One is a new app that Eloqua have added called a Static Content app, and also a new feature which is an auto redirect for landing pages. So where you've got a landing page that perhaps is a confirmation page for an event, now you can leave that there on screen maybe for 10, 20 or 30 seconds and then have it automatically redirect perhaps either to your home page or to your blog. So what I want to do is just walk you through and show you both of those functions in that context so you can have a look and see how easy it is to do. First thing, you can see here we've developed a confirmation page. This happens once people submit a form, they reach this particular page. This big red box that you can see right here is the static content piece, and that's available from Cloud Content. If you don't see it in front of you like I do right now, you just simply type in static and drag that onto the landing page. But you'll notice there's two of them. This is the older one that you can see right here, and this is the new one. So this one, as of I think it's June 2016, won't work anymore. So you'll need to upgrade to the new one, and you can talk to your Eloqua administrator about getting that added to your system. But we'll be showing you the new one today that's available. So it's very simple. If in this example what we want to do is be able to show people a map of the actual venue. So probably the first thing I want to do is go to Google Maps, and in Google Maps type in a location. In this case for us it's the Shangri-La Hotel in Sydney, Australia. Once we're there, we simply access the menu like so from Google, and there's an option called Share or Embed. And what you want to do is embed. So you can see there's the share link, and we come to embed. You'll see it's already highlighted, so we simply copy that code, go straight back to Eloqua, and once you've dropped your static content here, you double click on it, pop-up window opens up so you can configure the cloud content, and in here we paste, as you can see I've done here, the actual embed code. Something to be aware of, you can see here Google basically defaults with 600 by 450 in pixels. You can change that if you want. Most landing pages typically are 900 wide, so if you want to make perhaps 900 wide by 300 pixels high, you could do that as well. So we've left it at 600 by 450. Simply save that and get the confirmation that it's saved, close the window, and then you can have a look and preview your page live, and you'll be able to see what happens. Now in the past you may have simply gone to Google Maps, taken a screenshot of a particular location, etc., and dropped that in as a JPEG. Now the problem was it was really flat, it wasn't interactive, people couldn't do anything. But this is now actually a Google Map sitting inside your landing page. So that means that your customers or your prospects can click on directions, for instance. That will open up, they can see where they're at, they can type in where they are, and then get directions to know exactly where to go. So overall, a much better experience for people. Now the static content feature is only available on landing pages, it's not available in email. So what we've done in a confirmation email, we've created a button called Plan My Trip in Google Maps, which drives them back to this page, which gives them a little bit more information plus access again to the Google Map. Now the other thing that I wanted to show you is the auto redirect, which is a new feature that they've added I think just in the last month or so. If you go over here to settings and choose settings, that landing page name and details, all that information arrives, and it's this little piece right here, the automatically redirect. So what we've done is we've set this page to automatically redirect after 60 seconds. You can actually see here in the background that page is changing right now and is moving to our blog page, which is the URL that you can see right here. So if I click over here in a moment, that will redirect to our blog. There it goes. And so now people can see the blog and access that information. Now of course we've sent them a confirmation email, so they've got all that information that they need and they can get back to that confirmation page if they want to. But it's one way to potentially drive a little bit more traffic to your website and get people to begin engaging. Now the time frame that you set is up to you. You can set whatever you want. I thought a minute, give people time to look at that page, get the information that they need. For instance, you can see here I've actually already got a link on the page to the blog, both here in this graphic and then also at the top here in this menu bar as well. So there's a few ways, but hoping to drive more traffic to our blog. So we think the auto redirect will be one way to do that, as well as obviously other ways through menus and other icons on the page. So hopefully that was helpful. So again, looking at static content available through Cloud Content, simply drag it onto the page, making sure you've got the new static content app and not the old one. As I said, the old one will be deactivated around June 2016, so just be aware of that. And then of course accessing settings from the landing page, and then you're done. Have a great day. Thank you. Bye-bye.